My name is Goel and today I will recite a poem on rainy season. So let's get started. Get happy for every reason. In thankful is rainy season. No matter how hard we try, our clothes and we will not be dry. Children with raincoat can be seen with paper boat. Every boy and every girl, rainy season they will enjoy. Cloud looks like a giant pot. It sprinkles water that it has brought. Farmer looks forward to rain so that they can make some gain. Monsoon has a message to send. Make umbrella as our friends. Never know when cloud will burst. Taking precautions is the must. Thank you and have a nice day. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for notifications and share this video with your friends. Thank you.